So today we'll be creating a basketball in Adobe Illustrator. Remember that you can always download the file for this illustration in the description below. I want to give a quick shout out to Mera Bozain. I hope I pronounced that right. Guys, if you have any issues or problems, let me know in the comments below and I will give you a shout out in my next video. Stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to do in this very easy tutorial is select our ellipse tool, hold on shift and drag. Once we have the perfect shape, we're going to put our color on black. So the next thing we're going to do is select the ellipse tool again, click it on the artboard, and let's drop the width and the height. Let's align this to the center. So I've just imported the colors that we're going to be using in this tutorial. So let's select the circle and select this color. Perfect. So the next thing we're going to do is select our line tool and draw a perfect line right through our circle. So we're going to select our line, go to edit, copy, and paste in place. Then we're going to rotate it. Now the next thing we're going to do is select our ellipse tool again. Perfect. And once we have that, we're going to select all our strokes, go to object, and we're going to turn all these strokes and outline them. Then we're going to select everything and select our path builder tool, hit on alt and deselect all this. So we're left with our basketball. So what we're going to do now is create the shadow effects and the light effects for our basketball. This time we only want the stroke, the outline. Drop all the stroke, select the two paths, and we're going to select our shape builder tool. Perfect. So we can get rid of this now. And we're going to select our shade color. Perfect. Let's bring it forward and then we're going to select this dark color. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. We have our basketball. Boom.